Good morning. Yesterday we discussed the numerical based on hydrostatic pressure and numerical based on manometer. Today we are discussing the same topic, the numerical based on manometer with different numericals. Is it clear? We already discussed the numerical based on hydrostatic pressure, numerical based on manometer, and now we take the next example based on the manometer, U2 manometer. Is the screen visible?
Yes, sir.
The numerical is mentioned here. The U2 manometer is used to measure the pressure of water in a pipeline. U2 manometer is used to measure the pressure in a pipeline, and which is in excess of atmospheric pressure. The right limb of manometer contains the mercury and is open to the atmosphere. The contact between water and mercury is in the left limb. Determine the pressure of water in the main pipeline. If the difference in level of mercury in the limb of U-tube is 10 centimeter and free surface of mercury is in level with center of pipeline, is in level with center of pipeline. In this numerical, the figure is not mentioned. We need to draw the figure, whatever the information given in the numerical. This numerical again asked in the university question paper for 10 marks. This numerical asked in university question paper for 10 marks. In this numerical, only statement is given. You need to draw the correct figure. If you draw the correct figure along with showing the correct datum line, then ultimately 50% or 60% numerical part is over. So you need to draw the figure. The figure look like this without containing the manometer, without containing the mercury. Is it? This circular section is represent the pipeline. This section U shape is represent the U2 manometer, and we need to show the water, level of water and level of mercury in U2 manometer. Is it clear? Is this figure visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This pipeline is, which fluid is flowing through the pipeline?
Water.
Water. So I will show this color for water, and then need to show the mercury level. Read the statement clearly, whatever the statement mentioned in the numerical. Right limb and left limb is already shown in the figure. The right limb of manometer contains the mercury and is open to the atmosphere. This right limb containing the mercury, this upper end is open to the atmosphere. The contact between water and mercury is in the left limb. Obviously, the left limb is connected to the pipeline, so there will be the contact between water and mercury only in left limb. Okay. Now determine the pressure of water in the main pipeline, that is represented by the notation PA. If the difference in level of mercury in limb of U-tube is 10 centimeter, the level difference of mercury, we need to show the mercury in both limb, left limb as well as right limb, but difference of mercury level between these two limbs is how much? Difference between mercury level between two limbs is how much?
10 centimeter.
10 centimeter. And free surface of mercury Where is the free surface of mercury is available, in left limb or right limb?
right limb,
Only in right limb. Okay, the free surface of mercury is in the level with the center of pipeline. Means at which location you need to show the mercury surface in right limb. We mark the center horizontal line A dash and BB dash. Up to which location we need to show the mercury in right limb. See here, the free surface of mercury is in level with the center of pipeline. BB dash is which line?
center line,
Center line of the pipeline. Center line. And free surface of mercury is in the level with center of pipeline. Center of line means mercury we need to show at this location in the right limb. Free surface of mercury in right limb we need to show at this surface, at this location. I will fill the mercury here with a different color. I will take is a green color, and this color is shown as this one. Is it visible? This figure.
yes, sir,
This left side is pipeline, there is a water. This is a level of mercury in the right limb. Okay. And this height level difference. Again, there is a mercury in the left limb. Again, there is a mercury in left limb. But at up to which height level of mercury in the left limb? Up to which height level of mercury in the left limb? Here mentioned that if the difference in the level of mercury in the YouTube manometer is 10 centimeter, and again we need to show the mercury here with the difference of mercury level is 10 centimeter. Okay, this free surface of mercury in the left limb, this point is represent the free surface of mercury in right limb. So level difference between this surface of mercury and this surface of mercury is how much?
10 centimeter,
10
10
centimeter. 10 centimeter, correct? So need to mention here is the 10 centimeter. Is it clear?
yes, sir,
So the difference between horizontal line A dash and BB dash is 10 centimeter. So above the A dash in left limb, which type of the fluid is there?
water,
Water. Okay, we need to fill the water here with the same color. I will put this one. Is now visible clearly?
yes, sir,
Yes,
So
sir.
which one is a datum line?
A dash,
A dash is a datum line. Why A dash is a datum line?
lower side of mercury,
Lower side of mercury in the left limb. Okay, lower level of mercury is in the left limb. So horizontal line pass through this point, and this horizontal line is called as the datum line. And level difference between the mercury is 10 centimeter. Apart from this, which database is mentioned? No database is mentioned in the numerical. Only this much database is mentioned in the numerical. If you draw this type of the figure correctly, then you get at least 2 to 3 marks with showing the correct datum line. Okay. Now, next part is very simple parts. Okay. They just do the calculation parts. Okay. Is this visible? The screen?
yes, sir,
Okay. Then the volume of mercury goes down in the reservoir is equal to volume of mercury goes up in the right limb. The equation mentioned that the volume of mercury goes down in the reservoir, and at the same time mercury level goes up in the right limb. Which one is a basic equation we need to apply. The pressure above the datum line in left limb as well as the right limb, is it same or different?
Same.
Correct. So pressure above the datum line is equal to pressure above the datum line left limb is equal to right limb. Here we need to mention pressure above A dash in left limb and pressure above A dash in right side. Okay, then we need to write the equation pressure above the datum line in left side and pressure above the datum line on right side. What is the equation? Tell me. Which equation we need to write?
Rho GH.
Yes, rho g h. We can call it as equation number 1. And we have the equation of rho gh. Can take this equation. See, we know that so rho gh pressure above A on left side. Pressure above A dash on left side. Equation is P is equal to rho gh, and you can see this figure and tell me what will be the pressure above AA on left side of limb. Tell me how much the fluid available on left side above the datum line A dash. How many fluid above the
One.
datum line A dash in left limb? Which one?
Water.
Only water. Correct. Only water is a liquid, water is a fluid available above the datum line in left limb. Only water. So what will be the pressure? P is equal to rho gh plus one more pressure need to add it into. Which pressure? Pressure in the pipeline. Pressure in the pipeline. That pressure you need to add above the datum line. So equation will be PA so equations we need to write it as, see the equation we can call it as a PA, pressure in the pipeline, that is represented by notation PA, and then the pressure exerted due to the water column, that is represented by the notation rho gh. Okay, that pressure is represented by rho into g into h, and then you need to put the corresponding value. You need to put the corresponding value. This P is represent. What is P is represent? Pressure above AA on left side. Pressure above AA on left side. So tell me the values.
10
What is the-
centimeter.
What is the value of PA? We need to
10
find.
centimeter.
We need to find PA. Pressure in the pipeline. We need to find. So we need to put the rho, value of rho. What is the value of rho?
1000.
1000. Why it is 1000?
Density of water is 1000.
Yes, density of water is 1000. Again, we need to replace, put the value of G. What is the value of G?
9.81.
Correct. And what is value of H?
10 centimeter.
10 centimeter. We need to put 10 centimeter as it is or need to convert this 10 centimeter?
Convert.
Okay,
Convert
correct.
into meter.
Convert it into meter. What will be the actual value from 10 centimeter to meter? 10 centimeter multiplied by which parameter?
10
10
raised to minus 2.
10 to the power minus 2. Okay, or we can replace direct 0.1 also. 10 to the power 10 into 10 to the power minus 2, it means 0.1. Okay, you do the calculation and tell me what will be its value. Okay, you can do the calculation simultaneously and tell me the answer. Now, above the datum line AA on right side, the pressure above A dash on right side. The equation again very similar. You can do the calculation, tell me the values. I will write the next equation.
981.
981.
81.
Okay,
Sir,
900.
pH value न टाकता.
Okay, we need to put PA as it is, correct? PA plus 981. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
PA plus 981. We need to put the unit also at the same time. What will be the unit here? P plus 981. We need to insert the unit. What will be the unit of pressure?
Newton per meter square.
Yes, Newton per meter square. This is, we can call it as A. And similarly, we need to write the equation, another equation for the right side of the limb above the datum line AA dash. So pressure above AA datum line on right side. So how many fluid above the datum line on right side? The figure is available here. Above the datum line on right side, which, how many
10
fluids?
centimeter.
How many
One
fluids?
One.
Only
One
one
fluid.
fluid. Okay. And how much the height of that fluid?
10 centimeter.
10 centimeter, correct. Which of the fluid?
Mercury.
Mercury. So we know the properties of the mercury. So we need to put the properties. So before putting the values, we need to write the equation. What will be the equation? We need to insert P again. Is it required?
No, sir.
Not required. Okay. Then which equation we need to write? Only rho GH. Is it? Only write the equation of rho GH. What is a rho?
Density of mercury.
Mercury, correct. G,
Acceleration due to gravity.
correct. And H is?
Height of the
Height
point
of-
from surface of liquid.
Don't say the liquid.
Height from center of line.
Okay.
Datum line.
Datum line of which fluid? Mercury.
Mercury.
Mercury, correct. So we need to put the corresponding values. So what is value of rho? See, this-
13.6.
See, in this numerical, the database is given for the density of mercury. I will show you the numerical. You tell me, in this numerical database of mercury, is it given or not? See, is it given database of mercury?
No, sir.
Not given. So we need to, as it's a fixed value, so no need to mention in the numerical. If it is given in the numerical, then you can write the value as it is. But it is not mentioned in the numerical, then you need to write the value, whatever the value, the universal value. Okay. As far as water is concerned, its value is 10 to the power minus 10 to the power 3. As far as water is concerned, it's 10 to the power 3. And as far as mercury is concerned, it's a different value, and its value is 13,600 density of mercury. You need to need to write this value, density of mercury, as 13,600 kg per meter cube. We already discussed a numerical based on this yesterday, is it?
Yes, sir.
So also tell me, what is the value of specific gravity of mercury? Specific gravity of mercury. What is the value of specific gravity of mercury? Its value is
13.6.
Correct. 13.6. What is the unit? What is unit
Meter
of
per second square.
what is the formula of specific gravity?
It's unitless.
Correct. It's unitless. Why it is unitless?
It is the ratio of density to
Yes, it
density.
is the ratio of density to density. Density of mercury to the density of water. That's why unit get cancelled. So unit of specific gravity is unitless. And as far as a mercury is concerned, specific gravity 13.6. So the density of mercury we can calculate from that equation, and its value is 13,600. Please note of it. If the value of density of water as well as mercury is not mentioned in the numerical, then you can consider that value as this one. Density of mercury 1000 kg per meter cube. Density of water 1000 kg per meter cube. Density of mercury 13,600 kg per meter cube is fixed value. If not given in the numerical, then you can consider that value, this one. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So again, go back to our steps. This one. Okay. So tell me the corresponding values. So pressure above AA on right side, P is replaced by which value? Which value is replaced by P? Rho density.
13,600.
13,600, correct. G is written as 9.81 and H is,
10 centimeter.
but need to convert this 10 centimeter into
Meter.
meter. So what will be the conversion?
0.1 meter.
0.1 meter or 10 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 2. And you do the calculation and tell me what its value.
$13,341. 341.6.
13,341.6. Okay. And unit?
Newton per meter square.
Newton per meter square. Okay. $13,341.6. So we get the equation A, equation B, and we have the equation number 1. Is it? Equation number 1 is represent pressure above AA on left side is equal to pressure above AA on right side. So equation A and B we need to put in equation number 1 and solve the value of P. Find the value of P. Is it understood? We need to put equation A and equation B in equation number A, equation number 1. Okay, and find the value of PA from that equation. So find this value. This is the equation. P plus 981 is equal to 13341.6, and you can do the calculation and tell me what will be the value of PA, and that PA is represent the pressure in the pipeline.
12,360.6.
12,000.
360.6.
Okay. Then okay, one more point is missing, that is a unit we need to mention. Which unit?
Newton per meter square.
Newton per meter square. Correct. So this is value of pressure in the pipeline. And what is asked in the numerical? Say in this numerical. What is asked in this numerical? Determine pressure of water in the main line. Pressure of water in the main line. Therefore, the pressure of water in main line is whatever value we calculate it. That is 12,360.6. 12,360.6 Newton per meter square. Any doubt in this numerical?
No, sir.
So we get answer for the first case. This numerical we can modify it in a slight way. That numerical we can modify it into a different way. That is, pressure in the pipeline is reduced to, I will show you the numerical. Is this numerical visible? See. Just wait for 1 minute. Okay, see this numerical. A U-tube manometer is used to measure the pressure of water in pipeline, which is in excess of atmospheric pressure. The right limb of manometer contains the mercury and is open to the atmosphere. The contact between water and mercury is in left limb. Determine pressure of water in the main line. If difference in mercury level in the limb of U-tube is 10 centimeter and free surface of mercury is in level with the center of pipeline. Up to this point, is this numerical and the previous numerical same or different? Up to this point.
Same.
Same numerical. Okay. One more additional term is mentioned in this numerical as if pressure of water in pipeline is reduced to 9810 Newton per meter square. Calculate new difference in level of mercury and sketch the arrangement of both case. So case 1 we already discussed. This is the case 1. Whatever we solve this numerical, that is case 1. This is case 1, is it? For pressure in the pipeline, we already calculated the pressure in the pipeline. In second case, what is mentioned in the second case? If pressure reduced to how much value?
9810 Newton per meter square.
9810 Newton per meter square. And what will be the new level difference of mercury? What will be the new level difference of mercury? So figure for that case, the level difference figure will be different. Okay, I will show you the figure. What will be the figure for that case? Okay, this figure is visible.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
See, in previous figure and this figure, there is slight change. Okay. In this figure, the mercury level difference is 10 centimeter. Mercury level difference is 10 centimeter. But in the second case is, see, this is second case. In the second case, the level goes up in the left lane. Why level goes up in the left lane? Because of pressure in this pipeline reduced to how much value? 9810 Newton per meter square. As pressure in the pipeline is reduced, that's why level of mercury goes up in the left lane. And at the same time, level of mercury goes down in which side of the lane?
Right limb.
Right lane. And we can call that height as x. We can call that height as x. Level of mercury goes down in right side and the same height goes up in the left limb. And this height is same or different?
Same.
Same height. That is represented by the notation x. See, x is goes down, this x goes up. This height is same because of size of manometer is same. Size of manometer means diameter of the manometer, diameter of the U2 manometer is same. It means that level of mercury goes up at the same time level of mercury goes down with same height. Okay, so what will be the new datum line? So need to plot the new datum line. So as far as this figure is concerned, this A dash initially is A dash, and we can see this figure, the previous numerical figure. So can you guess it? The new datum line is below the A or above the A? A dash.
Above the A.
Above the
Above
A.
the A dash. Why the new datum line is above the A dash?
Because in left limb pressure will.
Yes, because in left limb pressure decreases. And if pressure decreases, what happens on the mercury level? Mercury level goes up in which limb?
Left limb.
Left limb.
Left limb. And at the same time, level of mercury goes down in which limb?
Right limb.
Right limb with the same height, and that is represented by the notation x in this figure. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So new datum line is which one as far as this figure is concerned?
BB dash.
BB dash is a new datum line. And we know that the distance between center of pipeline and horizontal line A dash. What is distance? Center of pipeline and horizontal line A dash.
10 centimeter.
10
10.
centimeter, correct? So this here the new datum line is mentioned. I will just increase the thickness of this line and with the different color. See this one, the BB dash. This is a new datum line. So can you tell me height of BB dash from center of pipeline, height of BB dash from center of pipeline in left lane?
10 minus 6.
10 minus x, correct? What will be the height of BB dash from center of pipeline in right lane?
10 minus 2x.
10 minus 2x.
Center of pipeline till the BB dash. From this
No,
center of pipeline till
10
BB,
minus 6.
Minus 6.
10 minus 6.
correct? 10 minus 6. And can you tell me what will be the height of free surface of mercury from the datum line BB dash? Free surface of mercury from the datum line BB dash in right limb.
10 minus 2x.
Minus 2x.
Why 10 minus 2x? Why this 10 minus 2x? Because we know the total height from, I mean, just we can call it as a center line as CC dash. Okay, you can call it as a CC dash. So we know the distance between CC dash and A dash is how much?
10
dist-
centimeters.
10 centimeter. And just using the some simple calculation, and we can easily calculate the value of, okay, this CC dash is already mentioned. We need to use a different notation. We can change this notation as a DD dash. Okay, as CC dash is already mentioned here, and we increase this thickness for understanding purpose. See this one. So distance between DD dash and CC dash is how much? DD dash and CC dash.
X.
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 X, correct?
X.
The distance between AA dash and BB dash,
X.
X.
X. And we need to find the distance between C and B, CC dash and BB dash. That is 10 minus 2x.
X.
10 minus 2x, as the distance between AA dash and DD dash is 10. So 10 minus this x and this x, that is 2x. 10 minus 2x. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
And then we can solve the numerical based on the same equation. Which equation? The pressure above the datum line. Which datum line we need to consider? Second case,
BB dash.
BB
BB
dash.
dash.
The equation will be slightly changed. I will write the equation just for the understanding purpose again. In second case, for the second case, we can call this as a see. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Value is very similar steps. Just need to change the slide. That is change the datum line. Instead of A dash, we need to mention BB dash. Okay. The pressure above A dash is replaced by BB dash. This is replaced by BB dash. And tell me the equation. What will be the equation? Above BB dash on left side. Above BB dash on left side. What will be the equation? Pressure above BB dash on left side. PA plus which term? Okay, you can see this numerical. Tell me how many fluid above BB dash on left side?
One fluid.
One fluid, correct? That is which fluid?
Water.
Water. So what will be the equation? Start from center of pipeline. Pressure above the datum line BB dash in left side, left lane is equal to start from pipeline. That is PA plus rho GH. Okay, PA plus rho GH. So PA plus rho GH. Is it clear? This equation again very similar. This PA is how much value of PA? What is value of PA? In second case, already mentioned in the numerical itself.
9810.
9810 Newton per meter.
1
Okay, so we need to put the value of PA is a 9810 plus what is value of rho? 1000.
1000.
G 9.81 and H is replaced by what is the value of H? Height. What is the height?
10 minus x.
10 minus x. How much?
10 minus
10 minus x. Is it clear? This h is replaced by 10 minus x. So, okay, need to change again one more thing. 10 is represented in which unit?
Centimeter.
Centimeter.
Centimeter. Okay, so 10 minus x, we can write here instead of 10 minus x, but will we need to mention? With the unit conversion, 10 minus x and then square of that. Ten minus x into 10 to the power minus 2. Why this 10 to the power minus 2 is mentioned here?
centimeter to meter conversion.
Centimeter, conversion of centimeter to meter. So 10 minus x multiply by 10 to the power minus 2. And you do this calculation and tell me what will be the pressure above the datum line on left side in terms of x. In terms of x. I will write the equation for the right side till you can find the calculation and tell me what will be the value in terms of x. We can call this as equation number 1. Similarly, pressure above BB dash on right side. So what will be the equation? Pressure above BB dash on right side.
Rho GH.
Okay. Rho GH. Before that, can you tell me how many fluid above the datum line BB dash on right side?
One fluid, sir.
One fluid. And which that fluid is which one?
10
Mercury.
minus 2x.
Mercury. And what will be the height of that mercury?
10 minus 2x.
10 minus 2x. Okay. So write in that format. So rho is replaced by value of rho. What is value of rho?
9810.
Value of rho
13,600.
13,600. G is 9.81 and this h is replaced by
10 minus 2x.
10 minus 2x. Correct. This h is replaced by 10 minus 2x and again multiply by 10 to the power minus 2. Why multiply 10 to the power minus 2?
Conversion of centimeter to meter.
Correct. Conversion of centimeter to meter. And then you can solve this equation. So this equation we get in terms of x. That is equation number A. And again equation number B in terms of x. And just compare equation number A and B, or put the equation A and B in equation number 1. We get the value of which one? Which one? See, in equation number A, which one is unknown? Equation number A, which one is unknown? X is unknown. Equation B, again x is unknown. And then put the value of equation A and equation B in which equation? Equation number 1. And just simplify it, we get the value of x. Okay. And that value of x is how much? That value of x is 0.992 centimeter and 0.992 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Okay. So we get the x. This is the value of x. So level difference of mercury. So which one is level difference of mercury? X is a level difference of mercury, or 10 minus 2x is a level difference of mercury?
10 minus 2x.
10 minus 2x is a level difference of
10 minus
mercury.
2x.
So from this equation, we can get the value of x. Okay. And again, do the calculation. Which one? 10 minus 2x. This 10 minus 2x is represent the level difference of mercury. And that value is how much? 8.016 centimeter. And in case of meter, again multiply 8 to the 10 to the power minus 2. That will be the conversion from centimeter to meter. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The remaining part of this numerical we can discuss in next lecture. Is it clear? If you are in
Yes,
doubt,
Yes, sir.
if you are in doubt,
Yes,
just tell
sir.
me. Any doubt?
सर या
sir.
न्यूमरिकलचा लास्टचा पार्ट एकदा सांगा ना परत.
Which one? Same one? Okay. So is it equation number 1 is visible? This
Yes, sir.
highlighted equation. The pressure above BB dash on left side is equal to pressure above BB dash on right side. Okay. Then we know this equation. Up to this highlighted part, is it understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This part is pending. That is a pressure above BB dash on left side. Only do the calculation of this one, and then you can write here in terms of x. Okay, you can do this calculation and write the value in terms of x. Why in terms of x? Because x is mentioned in this calculation parts. So we get the value in terms of x and put that value in terms of x here. Okay, we can write here in terms of x that value. Is it visible? This star equation. Star.
Yes, sir.
Again in next part, the pressure above BB dash on right side. The pressure above BB dash on right side is rho GH. Why do rho GH? Because there is only one fluid above the datum line BB dash on right side. We can observe here on right side above BB dash is only one fluid, and that fluid is a mercury. That's why equation is rho GH. So again put the value of density for mercury 13,600, G 9.81, and H is replaced by 10 minus 2x into 10 to the power minus 2. And again do this calculation, and this calculation in terms of which parameter notation? That value we get in terms of which one? X. In terms of x. Okay, so value of A in terms of x. Again value of pressure above BB dash on left side is in terms of x. That is equation number A. So pressure above AA dash, BB dash on right side is in terms of x. In terms of x. Then again put the equation number A, equation number B in equation number 1. Why we need to put equation A and B in equation number 1? Because of pressure above BB dash on left side is equal to pressure above BB dash on right side. And this is equation for above BB dash on left side. This is equation above BB dash on right side. That's why these two equations are same. And if we equate these two equations, that is we got the equation of x, equation in terms of x, and just simplify that equation. So if we simplify that equation, which value we got?
X.
We got the value of x, and that x is shown here. Okay, that x is shown here. X is 0.992 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Is it understood now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
this calculation part we discuss in next lecture again. As here star is mentioned in equation number A, again star mentioned in equation number B. We can discuss this part in next lecture. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, with this we conclude this session. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.